Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of DIY beauty products, specifically, how to make Moringa soap. Now, let me tell you, crafting Moringa soap is a blend of science and nature. I carefully selected high-quality natural ingredients to ensure a nourishing and effective product for your skin. So, let's get started. First, we need to create the base for our soap. I combined coconut oil, olive oil, and palm oil. These oils are essential for creating a moisturizing and nourishing product. They're also great for creating a stable and long-lasting soap. Next, we'll add the Moringa magic. Moringa leaf powder and Moringa oil were added to the mix. Moringa is packed with nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's a great addition to any soap, especially one that's designed to nourish and care for your skin. Now, it's time to mix everything together. I used a stick blender to combine the ingredients. It's important to blend thoroughly to ensure that the soap is evenly mixed. Once the mixture is blended, it's time to pour it into the mold. I used a wooden mold for this project. It's important to fill the mold to the top, as the soap will shrink slightly during the curing process. Now, let's talk about the curing process. Moringa soap needs to be cured for at least 4 weeks to ensure that it's hard and long. During this time, the soap will continue to shrink and harden. And there you have it, a beautiful handmade Moringa soap. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make Moringa soap. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIY beauty tips and tricks.
This ain't Texas. Ain't no hope.
I love being your love.
Hey guys, welcome back. If you're still here, then I just want to say thank you for staying tuned. And trust me, this Moringa soap is basically everything you need for this season. This soap is definitely gonna help your skin glow. It's gonna treat your skin externally, especially those acne scars, especially those who are suffering from acne. If you want to look 10 years younger than your real age, then you basically have to start using this soap. This soap is natural and it's made of organic products and natural oils, which you will not easily find them anywhere else in the world. It's very, very essential that you consider using this soap. I know that Moringa soap is not that popular. It might not be something basically old to you, but then consider this product as a new skincare routine. Add it to your skincare routine, add it to your soaps. Make sure you use this every day. Make sure you use it as your facial soap, your skin soap, and also, take a shower on it. And guys, can you imagine? You can also use this on kids. You can as well use it. Kids do play a lot and sometimes they do have bites, and trust me, you can also apply this soap on your skin, bathe them with it. It's very, very helpful, and it's gonna treat those scars as well as keeping your skin ageless and free from any bacteria or radicals that are trying to ruin your face. I have tried this soap on my skin, on my face, and then I can tell you, I'm proud to tell you that it works like magic. And those other people or those other clients who have also tried this out, they have told me and they have come back with tremendous and marvelous feedbacks, which are actually encouraging. I will take time to definitely post the feedbacks or reviews once I finish uploading this video, guys. So I am not telling you about this soap or preaching all of this just so you can buy it. I am also letting you know that it is very, very good for you. And then you have watched the process on how it's been made. Trust me, there is no artificial ingredient added to this soap. It's a 100% natural soap, And trust me, this actually took me hours upon hours, and it actually took days to actually come up just the way you see it. And trust me, it's a process you don't want to try by yourself if you are not actually in the game or in the skincare formulation game. You won't want to try this out because you need to be extra careful. You need to make sure that everything goes on well and everything is accurate in order for you to actually come up with this soap. So guys, trust me, a lot of work has been put into this soap, and trust me, I don't want to keep talking. I just want you to try it out. Get it, try it out. You can order from WeChat, you can order from our website, you can as well order from WhatsApp. Just inbox me or leave me a message anywhere you find or watch this video. I will definitely reply you or come for you. So guys, this is gonna transform your skin for this season and also for every season. It's not a seasonal product, it's an all season product, which is something you need at this moment. I have actually had folks who came up to me and complained to me that everything or every soap they use has always been so sensitive on their skins. So I urge you guys to naturally indulge into this soap. Use it, especially for those of you who have sensitive skins. This is actually gonna blend with every other product that you're using, and just trust me, use it judiciously and use it well. You can see the soap, how it's already tight in the soap mold, right? It's ready to be cut. This actually took 4 to 5 days, almost a week, in order for it to actually mold up like this. And guys, this is how it was made. This are oils that are actually melted. You can see previously in the video you saw everything, and I had to melt up all these oils, and that's it. So it's curtain time, and this is actually the simplest of the process. So this was actually the simplest of the process, and I loved every second of it. To be able to actually come up with something beautiful like this, and using the finished product and cutting the finished product is something which was really fulfilling to me and super amazing to me. Guys, I won't trade this up for something else, so please try to get yours. And thanks so much for watching, guys. From my love to yours, I say bye and see you in my next video.
This ain't Texas. Ain't no hope.
I love being your love.